Eza matamfu eni ewu. Inti emira metiasi. Ninyu nasiya na metena. Namatumida funyumse. Ninyu maye kesyo. Ninyu maye mewawa. Onipa baby antu minti yasiye. Michirizayo mbutana. Media misurodon. Every senia otimi mono. Osusin ya ori ase. Inti makoma swadi anise. Mi ananka meninem yasimo. Mede bakwe radifie. Na makoma ni din konkroneso. Afenso meseme radi nyankuponse. Mama minyo hieni. Na mankwa sesradie. Na mankasenya mi biara ni ho. Weni makoma swadia. Weni makoma swadia. Weni makoma swadia. Weni makoma swadia. Ote. Hey, Nana.
Grazie.
Hey! Welcome to my studio.
Thank you.
Now, then, I say, and the interview, I baby we. Now, I say, social media call here, why I say, go for a mouth disclaimer near the idea. Are they who principal witness for criminal case be man?
I don't really know.
Because I say, interview back home, and go for him, she show money at the others. Are they? Man, no, I just invited you because you've been out of the system for long, and I really need to know what's going on with you because I mean, you were out of the country for some time. I need to know what exactly is going on with you. First of all, no, I mean, what's your real name? Because he name say, what's your real name?
I'm Emil Gerald Wood.
Where Fantiniana? Where Ukraine? Now, Moto, that kind of name.
We have Gun Wood and we have Fanti Wood. The Gun Wood is W-O-O-D.
Okay.
The Fanti Wood is W-O-O-D.
Oh, okay, okay. Internet is all Ukraine. Hey, Jamestown. Into what cry?
Yeah.
Hey, Ben, punko. Minimum. Oh, okay. Now, with your background, no, like, what education system, no, we started school and then, in school, how were you? Did you have the desire to start acting? And I said, now, parents, when you said you be mom, say, be a doctor, na lawyer, na bibisa.
Oh, actually, I schooled in Tema, me call me primary JSS for Dex Educational Institute.
Very good school.
Community 8.
Yeah.
And me call me SHS Chemu. But then when I'm my homemate, I'm on your boarding house.
Oh,
and
okay.
Chemu no day school, so I decided to go to boarding house to experience how boarding life is.
Okay.
Me catch my papa na. Me go we Benkum second.
Benkum. Okay.
Yeah.
And on the paper no so next is no dey near Accra.
No.
Oh, okay.
That's a paper so.
Okay.
I didn't complete and I traveled and blah 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 and that's it.
Mate say oh yeah dada papa.
Oh.
Mate say like oh papa sheda say uniska.
That was before.
Because
now there is nothing like that about.
Oh sir.
Yeah.
Na sister then oh.
Oh nothing.
Me say and then dress now that and then they come rough.
Oh me that say. It was so wonderful.
Me that say. You know in school no now what kind of personality now now we are the troublemakers maybe and answer we are reserved kind of person we are extroverts and now we are introvert.
I was very isolated.
Okay.
Because I have looked feminine since I was a child. So
yeah,
you know how it is when you look a little feminine in this country, you know. So I always me try to me back it off people.
Okay.
Understand? So mostly I'm very isolated.
Were you being isolated because you were exposed to bullying? Because if you look very feminine now, and go for try say, on say hardcore boys no most could try say, on be bully.
I didn't really go through bullying, but as I know, no say it can happen or it happens. That's the system. That's how it goes. Whether you like it or not, you're gonna go through it.
Yeah.
Maybe try most of the times I back off.
Okay.
They be home and I be alone and maybe.
But were you subjected to once the teachers no so yeah sometimes no they make ridicules out of you?
Not at all.
Not on my
Not
beat sister.
Not at all.
Because we can say we that be in
maybe provisions and medical school. Now me normal dormitory.
Okay.
And school prefect no so person me back kibike or
okay.
Just okay, but me fair honey by also person me back kibike or until I moved from the main dormitory to the kibiko because medical school be my provisions are more.
To be able to for school son.
Into me school father nimpo ni bu for me. Into later many school prefect in ya. Me ni nya problem but not me move back to the dorm. No, na me school father nimpo say or Benjamin or because I say oh the ni jena ko na mo ko jimu ni and later I don't know what happened. No, professor back. Into that's how it was.
Into no okay bibi say when we school was it on a purpose and I say uchim na yo de keke na won person be school.
I actually grew up with Filipinos because my girlfriend was a Filipino.
Okay.
Not in any family, you know, and I hang out. And we traveled to Philippines without my parents knowing. So
no, okay.
Yeah, it was on the radio station. Said my year running, but
that was Ghana.
Yeah,
that would have been many years ago.
Yeah, many years ago. I was there for like 3 years, but I called them later on and made them know I'm with Joseph.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm with Joseph. My father didn't like the idea because he was a pastor. You know how they are.
Oh, your dad was a pastor?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. He's saying?
He's dead. He died 14 years ago. My daughter is 14, so.
Oh, okay. Then he's so late.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Now, how was life like in the Philippines?
Oh, cool. I want to mommy who life. I could say, because I grew up with them, I saw what was life, like enjoyment, money, you understand? What life is, you understand? So, and no, I'm up to now, though. Back
in the Philippines, now, our girlfriend is Filipino.
No, we were young.
Okay, now we're very young.
We were young. But you know, for them, they don't care, say, Akolani, you're young, so far as.
Yeah. But you know, say, places like Philippines and those kind of places, they are really much exposed to natural disasters.
Yeah.
And during your stay there, did you experience anything like that? BBC Science. And after 3 years, now how did you come back home?
Oh, we came. Say, oh, mama,
girl,
oh no, I have cast.
Okay.
Mommy, a Filipino. No, I have Ghanaian, have Filipino.
Okay, good. I know
that.
Oh, okay.
Because of that, it's Okotemasco.
Into at that young age na udeti and an SSSM.
No, that young age. I think we were about 15, 16.
Okay, and then not just all doing natural.
Oh, don't intend me dinner.
And the Omun in Indiana. Oh, and an off.
No, me Sasa.
Okay.
Not yes, sir. Was I think Hotel Westgate, whatever.
Hotel Westgate.
That's why I'm here.
Na udi nana tornado no. Eba ne say na ode nana ndem nim say obviously you udi. But tornado no, unim say tornado is a natural disaster.
Yeah.
Nti no uti edin bi sa na say utimi you have an idea who the person is or some of the characteristics the person will be carrying. Nti no eba ne say na upon all names nyina when me amfa any soft name but odi gangster name here too. So.
You think tornado is a gangster name?
Because the meaning of tornado
is always gave me that name. If you're Schwarzenegger.
Oh, okay.
So this isn't always. I don't know what she saw or what she saw in me. Yeah.
Okay.
He decided to give me that name.
Okay. Okay. Let's just say, okay. Let's just say it was a role because of the role you were playing, and you really displayed a very good character. The role, no, the man who displayed very excellent.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about your career. At what point in time now we discover say ubetimi acting?
Oh, I never had acting in my mind. Although I had a couple of celebrity friends, I never had acting in mind. So one time, Pascaline Aid was
one a veteran actress. Yeah.
I think no shoot to delay show maybe if you're Schwarzenegger. No.
Okay.
Yeah, so I went to escort her at the show. Now, most of the time we're good friends. We go together.
Yeah.
Because you're trying to program. So we went there and Dolores saw me and was of a madam for.
Okay.
She took my number and that's how it started.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And then you mouse script now.
Yeah.
I say you took her by surprise because I
think she liked it, so she kept calling me. Because with her show, she invites celebrities. When you come, you shoot, you go. She calls another celebrity, and I wasn't a celebrity by then. But I think how I acted, she decided to keep me as a permanent member of the show. Yeah.
Okay. So shooting that if you're Schwarzenegger show, no, did it build more confidence in acting for you?
Yeah, because I had acted, but it's not like a long-term actor. Many anti-BA if you're a call show be you call shooting be, and I think I acted some small scene be, but it wasn't like acting. But I could say that made me more experienced in acting.
Now, minim say namo permanent characters be you were one of them. Ella baby so eka and if you're Schwarzenegger nankasa, and also ka among characters now you were always playing along with apart from celebrities now, I'm introduce you once a while. Why not like ultimate only know very strong chemistry?
Obia one spirit or the age, I could pretend some new age mas me but I don't.
Okay.
You understand? And I wouldn't say I act.
Okay.
Because I don't see me acting. I see me doing me.
Yeah. Because until you open such as outside the acting, you are just what you are portraying.
I wouldn't even call it acting because I do me.
Okay.
So sometimes when we are out and I'm talking to people, I was like, I want to get now with TV. So and they think I'm just copying something. Or,
yeah.
So then I flow with whatever I want to do. If you think we can also.
Now, with him one slogan be here, who you saw a kumi cry.
Debbie.
Chineke za. Me say, me personal banker won. Now, me do bank or na. Because say, Nelly, me line with you. So, nyabuche Chineke za. Into me ne ono me win. Yeah, time up till today.
Okay.
I used to. Me feel this our slogan. Okay, so which means how you are acting. That's you are just being you.
Yeah.
Okay, you are just displaying your true self.
Yeah.
And the most of the times when you are yourself, so now people like you for who you are.
Yeah.
During the time, only Dolores, but you're very close. You might be related.
Oh, okay.
Now we are very close.
Yeah, we were very good friends.
I feel all of a sudden, Uja acting, because the truth about the matter is, I say Unyaja acting, but I say na say show no because na me in particular me share because of you. Until now, all of a sudden, no, you just stop.
It was about money issues. I worked with her for 6 years and I wasn't being paid. So. So then I had to quit.
But did you table it before her? Say, we did because
that. We did that. Within the first, second, third year, I wasn't expecting much from her because now, if you had left, Miriam, when I 1 year, if you had only Dolores.
If
Schwarzenegger no be a name no.
Okay, okay. Valentina, okay.
Yeah. Me come in 1 year na Dolores Pameno.
O Pameno.
Of course, stop Pameno.
I don't know more kwana.
Oh, and also your money issues he be Americano. Say and hunting na me jay no.
And the delay na o you sumo a own tuamwana.
Yeah, bibi sana na.
She doesn't look like somebody who can take advantage of somebody.
Because within the first, second, third year, I wasn't expecting money because Valentina Jaya and Kakra.
Okay, yeah.
And I was the new face, so I was trying to build that brand at that time.
Again.
So
but you really did well too.
Thank you.
Thank you for your power.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I think she didn't like how she was acting because she wasn't actually.
Yeah.
I think she was too cool for
that role.
So
because that role, the name Valentina,
yeah. So she had to replace her, and that was it.
Now, before I'm I have some kind of discussion. Be say, be a modern. Mona brand in the cost. I just truthfully told you. Say without you, I'm not watching if you're Schwarzenegger. And Valentina so. Like the two of you, na mo jele, mo ma show no e de boso. Till all of a sudden na mo jaya na mafe, adena say apaska.
Say Valentina jaya me wo mo 6 years old.
Yeah, who chair wo and wo maintain brand no.
What years yeah?
Yeah.
But made it even Sikenyina na your program no if you crapo. Made too chief anima.
Mo na ne kasai.
But I think she thought say she has gotten to a stage even if some initial anymore it could still go. Forgetting says no one can play that tornado.
No, there be
if you are free, mono say nyame na still me hold it on na me de if you have one bano.
Yeah,
it won't work.
Yeah,
you understand? So she started behaving as if she doesn't care. And Mona Lisa, it was just like Abia. My bahan na wama miskasa me njana mfanto gas.
Yeah,
you understand what I mean? So we be say na wa wo mu assist Jimmy and out na say.
It's a gas is capping a
yes.
I know nay.
Oh, those times it was like 200 cities.
Okay.
And if you share my woman until 6 years now.
Now I'm beginning to think say Ebia no money sponsors in here. What's Ebia no the sika na shame.
In this one, why then will I say for the first, second, third year, I mean beside the sika because that mean him say
yeah.
But from the fourth, fifth year going, there was a lot of sponsors.
Is that why I'm when?
Oh, I wouldn't remember because delay in coming that journey home. But we had a lot of sponsors. That's me, I mean. Yeah.
Internet sponsorships can origin now.
And who they will be some media meaning.
My perplexed because say sponsors are on a program na yentuanko for na mentiase because meaning say the laws of Ghana no ye will law be a cover labor. Say untimi nya adwuma.
There was nothing like contract at that time, so
there was nothing you people could do.
You couldn't go to her and I least expected she could do that to me.
Because when we are very close. For her. Yeah. Because you fought for her, what does that mean?
Oh, na say Lisa, who come her, who better so be the law is in your problem. Obi anim so only the law is in your problem. Nipo the law is no one bekasa. Nipo ba bekasa na eto na the two of us.
Na just we and the PRO.
Not really. I'm that kind of person. If you're my friend, we die together. That's me. So because of that, I can count the number of friends I have.
Yeah.
Into no to make no can some na ko be am say Lisa na kan bra we na kan we na kan. That's how I play.
Because one way drew. And that's how you ride or die.
That is the word, but
okay.
People take advantage of me. They think I'm stupid.
Oh.
And I actually between Musa and Kofosa me pento quite maintenance is oh yeah me ade mpo na ehye me nka nche wo. Na me gada. Because immediately I met say you say and assist me mama say me ohun say me obi aye adamfo. Na 1 month time. Ohun say me ni pa ko ni na mpeko. And what started. Ke me ni nya be. Onya anwa okelebe alo mo kwe ya wiyo is an echon is either obi be kwa say me amani pa no
okay
and I say me ni pa no be bibia me mpa ye be ham
yeah
into me ma me onim say problem we na me face o me wiase madam for family omo achi ankofu nya I end up losing those people.
Oh okay.
Because you don't even know what they go say.
Yeah,
Jamaica not ma say it is here and I've just decided say I just want to be alone.
I think it's better.
Yeah,
because nowadays
I'm really tired.
Now, we now kind of me say you are being real with me because now Ghana no there was some stigma be between you and Dolores. I actually say so all the ones Dolores Ronaldo will come for you. Into no nature say at the in some way now for say the love both of you have for each other now is more than anything. I don't think money should be a problem.
But
love must overshadow the money issue.
It wasn't love. Me realize it is just a user.
Dolores is a user.
Yeah, Delay is a user. Because
okay, users I mean
if you are the same thing. I know and also be say I mean in the end if you need delay falling apart. But I know that the main thing in Puno is kasem.
Okay.
Jamaica not ma say me wan say sa de na me need to say why you be no. You're doing the same thing to me, and I helped you for the bitch.
Yeah,
you got me. I helped you for the bitch.
Now, Mr. Bitch, need I know the do
because she's a bitch.
She is?
If she's a dog, I'll say she's a dog. If she's a fowl, I'll say she's a fowl. So whatever I fit in or no, I'm gonna give it to her.
I see.
Yeah.
Now when Susu say Dolores na o make it if who she is. Until around that time, na me expectation ka obetimi na if kasa say ebia Dolores na ene wama yehu e wo Ghana intini bi say o ntua o ka na bibi krampo na there are other like opportunities a ubenya ubetimi dia shame wo no mo utimi na efia so kasa asa senka on reconsider
if you need delay no mo ya dan for that me kwa ko shame
o ko shame okay
intimi ne hwan na me kwa ka che we say we nyese na we nyese Jamaica not ma say
yeah intino if omo ye namfo deda ansa na wo ba be remu a and you cannot phantom the exact thing apart from money. I told
you say fault na ebi fia
and ebi
free delay.
Okay.
One, ebi a delay am call time 10 o'clock.
Okay.
If you have do ebi at 12 o'clock, and now one, you about 3 hours you go radio. That means you crew including the cameraman, we have to sit down and wait for Afia to go on the show and come back. Will you accept those things? Because she thought says no knew what my to Afia was bigger because she was the face at that time.
Yeah.
Jamaica not much. Until Laurie says so you're fed up and say no. The girl we may use in say that you open near my medi. Internet some so me pull beer or ni hokra if I can be second.
Okay.
You know, on you me fan cool say what plain mind, but sana no delay in that is that. Or the baby.
I didn't you think say na nka Afia na ni trimu start here ni de so ye popular no. E no start church no kaka sanka feel say nka mo jeje ne so kakra nka.
And no it's not up to me some jeje ne so because you juma na media.
Now, only delay a namfo no. Was there a time me advising about what to do prior to production? Maybe if I were room, if I were in Subra, and that's the same. Like, did you guys really work together?
Dolores is that kind of bossy types, and she thinks whatever she says is final, and she knows everything. The only time I help in production is say, Afia, you be casting you if you are Schwarzenegger. Na maka judges no. I have phobia.
Oh, okay.
Because she knows say we in a minute age you feel comfortable. We in the spirit were down. We say. You understand? But at the end of the day, me helping him ye koko as piece of if you are Schwarzenegger no. Later crap war ye me no. Or me compare koko.
Now when koko.
If you are girl kesiye ne network kesiye na omi you know as
on the final one or buy.
Yeah. The other minute to kwane buy na delay. Say she picks people from nowhere and she makes them somebody, no.
Yeah.
And all the me any Coco didn't share. Now Coco na me no yeah audition. Na ye fan no. Coco was a house girl. It will be fee. And na dey be obey you ma bia na waye den. Wabo apetition. Ono pa apetition that time no.
Yeah, Coco no.
Yes. Into ono ani nua delay no ono ani nua girl Joyce. E ka chen say na Coco be you ma wabo no. Enye. This is what she said.
Yeah.
I say so obebo. Na say me ni udi I'm very careful with your words.
Yeah.
So obebo. Na so bet me deliver me juma na me anu enfa me ho. That means bona nipa kwani bona enfa no. Yeah. It me need dia go nyama bi okeka no. Na me so be dey. Yes, I'm not stupid. I'm very intelligent.
Because you still say onyonku fie hia no say you
But I wasn't complaining too much because money wasn't a problem. Say me can say no unti do. And I was consuming myself. A day me say something 3 times 4 times.
Yeah.
And they'll be saying not you on the cake collection back cause you ever mean 6 years.
Yeah,
Easy. It's not easy. It is something baby na me can the lorries as my mobile to na me won ka kwati asem chem say o body lady in the wa wa them na me go school 6 years na ka me wie. University cry na me go 6 years na ka me wie. I felt that I've been used.
You've been used.
And that's why no people can say well mommy fame. What do you mean fame? Fame with that money is shit because who when at least out na e ko me bombe o be ma miscount ma ko fie.
Me patry.
Me cannot say. Come on, let's just love ourselves and be real with each other. Me just say we are some gidi ninya. That is all.
Yeah.
Men try so bad say bia wa adwin si obi. E bia se obi anjimi yo. Sabi bodan for nam kwan ko anjimi ye because car ba be den obetwe ne ho. E bia bi kakra na atọchi.
Yeah.
Nti wo bia se na ye say we ni ati bebria wo aponcho da achi obema ne maachi because ye say we ni ati.
Yeah. No. My memo example be you. We have some kind of friendship here. To say me wo hui. What's na say me ka just say Uba me state. Yeah. Na me ne law firm bi ye adwuma. Na my personal assistant na me ne ye adwuma no. Law firm ne employee no. But I say madam for otale me ho. Nti no me kwa adwuma otimi ana say bia me court room a otimi kra me books ne me files ne ade ma me on charge me but me ha me wo ho a $200 $300 na ma channel. Because minim say ese me ye bibi na enye fe. Woni Dolores eye namfo no even though she wasn't paying you but na onye sa niema ni bi ema wana
me ade ba ko pa me nya odile ho e mobile phone automami asa for 6 years no.
Some mobile phone say you a different brand
me na ko na ekoto so em say na 1,002 1,004 me na nya so enyes come on 6 years Lisa I even buy shoes for $600 $400 now you know. Inti obini and until I say I wasn't complaining too much but me realize yes obu me kwase.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, when they never be wow church myself, they don't know. I don't want to mention those people because they don't even like it. Me obi catch me plain so no one.
Oh, kasa
you would delay see die one. Ejuma na o ye ne when nya delay the see die one.
Hey,
okoni pani wa from paibo nya, but nipa ni catch me. I didn't nipa ni catch me because nipa ni hu nipa me ye. Oso ye nipa papa. But me catch much yo.
Did you out of your talent?
Yes.
Debbie. We wo abrocha nka ye betimi de na kokot.
Me eba na critical so no say me I don't fear who me bo ma me ni din. No be yin na so am me oyo so fun so te samba ni abodua.
Eh oni delay osofo.
Anya me ni delay pa cho. Eh onu delay no sofo ko no ho from paibo.
Na chese sofo no nyankopon yi kire ne so ye ni papa wo de wakoma mu fa na woni no.
Say onime. Me ni bansu di ago nti onime.
Oh okay.
Onu to make frame kra no wa che me sika.
Because no kasa me won say you are pained.
Osofo na kasa na me report asem ni mpo ne ba ne say ejuma na ye me nya hwewo.
Unya hwewo.
Nti anya say bia onim say me betwa nto na me be say obi ama no. Because me I believe said there be that we me twan wa junction so. And dream say we will be kwase anto wa fa ho edi free. No. If you don't pay in this life, you pay in the next life.
Director Mesremo senior nana tornado kasa no ye pese ye share mo arrange ni ye share some few excerpts of time now or active or the most famous TV series if ya Schwarzenegger no na yentimi eyin chire because this series was long time ago na nkofo muti say you know mutimi hu how relevant he was in that series, his role in the series, and what he's saying now, because he feels that he's been used and he deserves, you know, to be treated right. Nana, also no car assembly chile no. Did you confront delay? Because say me said you also na can see no
that time na ye jai ejuma ne.
Na no mo jai de.
Oh ye jai ejuma ne mama ko she Dubai me frustration ko she Dubai. E ho so kakra.
See now your system ni for some time no.
I don't know me free
cheers. Over here cheers. My feel do.
E be my feel. I don't know me free Dubai buy I got your on the page say he picks people from nowhere and makes them somebody now. Or they mene kokodin share.
Obodi share.
Oh yeah. Until me facing because I'm me facing.
Okay.
But facing me facing a Valentina best if you're best
because only year by if you
at that time me I'm not that kind of person. We buy me idea make us because of why me idea seems to be transferred. At that time if you want me
okay.
That time we put delay to the car or you need any be not the idea or the account because you started first person put 50 Ghana and another man.
Oh boy. 50 Ghana they start do men yes sir. People share from all over the world. Yes, streaming live for Facebook.
That's when my account TV so almost how many years? Sir, or a way explanation be obey uncle obey. But she won't. I'm not. Why would I lie? That be free if you have to say that be free if you have to say about shows who be sano. Say you start the show on the first. That delay mommy saying. No mommy fit. Oh yeah no jena faka. Into if you feel say caniswa. No you need any be mommy. That is why I apologize to Afia publicly.
Okay.
It was radio soon because one year me say.
Oh okay.
Nti ade no bi a onye me hwe ye no. Do you understand? Nti say bia me di delay ku ye no.
Ono wa badaye woni mu.
Say o mu say sika ne ye de ma me na
iswa because you were playing a major role.
Satan po no no poji higher kakra sen.
Not around that time na Afia no ye man na has a major character. I
remember but ne end do more than 300 and 400 at that time. Nti sika na nti if you need delay ntokwa no e be do time be if you akofa manager buy.
Okay.
Nti speak kai that time no if you akofa manager buy na fi dey delay to 6 million. If you have cover manager nearby, oh we are original or oje.
You know, looking at saying
who say if you are here because who say delay nye.
After so somewhere now for that so you cannot know.
But at the end of the day, delay on na show and she gave me an option to choose between her and Afia.
I delay no.
Yes, also when I'm here na down point to be choose only Afia. And you should know, say, you're not me, you man. He says, also, what law firm. He said, the boss says, choose only, you can't go choose another person.
Never.
That was what happened. Do you understand? That was what happened.
Wow. I said, my dear, or my son, because me see any different news. On say, Ayana, send a dean tornado, no, eternal. People know, so we are outspoken, confident. You are not perturbed. But anything.
You know why you would say it's confidence?
Yeah.
Because it's the truth.
Yes.
Because at the end of the year, now, also means CSA, then you are trying to tell me it's a mean transfer.
Because if you are not ready to do that. Because background in the crowd.
It's not about software, but that's me. Jamaica not to say, Sadia, you're red now. Say, yes, sir, you're red. What are you trying to say? You better be a hypocrite. Yes, saying. It's red, so tell me it's red.
Okay. Before no crab below, she say, I do baby. Obisa men control so dress and the gun in now. That's so. Thank you very much, Safwa. Thank you. Inti, later in you want to delay your fracas no. Lawyer be and answer will be a suggest amount say,
oh no,
lawyer be na nka.
I wouldn't even
instead
do it.
Say, one no benya exchange of words, nanka. No legal.
We fell apart for almost 1 year, delay in Fremida.
Okay.
Show names why ye. And no, me call Dubai. No,
okay.
We buy no coach your side. One coach your side, and Caso be an him need delay. Into no pen to Quano. Not just a bitch.
Now,
maybe a more bitch. So what the other legends or a bitch?
My men no be bitch has me them. I mention wake a grandson.
I say mo. Madam forgets I mean your body are going boys near me.
Because that's a we like you are down to earth with them.
Mona. Me, I can tell you, say most of my properties in Yama me wo wiase mu nyia no. Bebre, metuma ka say 70% ya hombrase na me dinya.
Oh, great.
I won't work hard or struggle very hard to get it. I'm telling you. I'm not stupid.
Okay.
Jamaican what am I say? It is only obi nam na obi say oh wait there or hombre. I don't play a dangerous person.
Yeah.
Me no Jimmy ade abetumi aye o no. Obi bisa ho say na boy we na into I want to say bia me a chameleon no.
Because now say there was news all over say Ronaldo now a betrayer say or no ya dam for we and channel ne wakun. So that's the stigma people have about Ronaldo. Right? And I'm very happy say and then you are here to let people see your personality because why interviews be
yeah.
I can thank about no channel woman microphone news. Because in Kofo share can thank what you say?
Me so me can thank papa ne even say
Apostle
Kojosafo. Eh, me pena semo.
Ono so pe wase.
So the Jesus see ho now the ni see ho me choose Apostle Kojosafo.
As in Jesus.
Jesus Christians for Jesus na mo so no. So the ni see ho. That's all the Apostle Kojosafo see ho. I'll choose Apostle Kojosafo.
Me papa no too.
Because you choose no. He's a God.
Yeah.
It's say Ghana. Yes,
someone.
But they don't know what they have.
Africa, they were there.
They don't know what they have.
Exactly.
Yes, some papa me huna me some to say me some mame water. Me some no.
Asemo a wakan die. Eye me dem pacho bosu bi o mame na. Me pa mo say daddy wo fia na munya ne so won hwe on tie de ne bato na do e ka kire no.
But it's true. It's true Apostle Kojosafo no na say Ghana for. Yes, some no. Because all the Jesus see what now the Apostle Kojosafo see what. Bet you Apostle Kojosafo. Na ma some no. I say some no. Papa me hunu de bia me some no. Me da won we tie maso.
Ta.
O ka say me da kwa me da.
Oh wow.
Great man say.
Oh you're great.
Nature che obi a gift o.
Yeah.
Nature che obi a gift. Into gift na papa ni kita no.
Are you serious? Because the whole of Africa and Dangote mu nyina ko bi anisa.
I know what I'm talking about.
Technical know-how.
So sometimes I even ask my question say why then don't they push this man?
Yeah.
This man is doing ridiculous things and they don't even push him. Like,
yeah.
Because of a black man.
Because of where we are coming from.
But say a brony there, papa.
Mr. Brony be my poison, no. That the coronavirus drove a air poison. Mr. Africa, you be who say Rwanda war no me cow na minia. Because Africa ni emu bronia we hu nyame. We hu nyame.
I know right.
Inti broni kwa ba no broni ni ka say aqua blue me no water we poisonous. Inti yenko sesa sebio got a munsuo near no man.
I know right.
Me no water no at all because you hu bronia I say but this man has done exceedingly well. I
don't know him. I haven't met him before, but words are powerful. They make us say he should go longer.
Yeah.
You understand? Because Shema menen to say one kasa. If you're not in Bao home, which me Shema, but or no honor spirit in different. The balance of spirit
exactly because or no talent in Kurano.
Yeah. Intimate Ghana for ne government say omun pushy.
Yeah. Sisi and them who say you with this era no who say government try their best to make sure say omo license niema bebre o yes say onko so ano nye. I think say it will go for because it's about time in Kasapa this time other African countries say nkofo enrolling and started enrolling in school ni mukra to learn this crafts and all those things.
What you use of his cars.
Exactly.
Papa mpacha ya na o cars no what it is so kakra ma celebrities na you have to be now omo hu say car no yenso ye twi why.
No. Papa wate bibia into no. Wate bibia into it will be done. Okay. Back to yo. It's director some can say papa so ohwe. Na de waka no wate.
Yo, papa be chia.
Na CEO neba CEO who is the current CEO no also any problem.
Okay.
Ne waka be wate. Na back to number say me know this yebeko you also some few months ni na o post a whole lot of things about religion for no and no
yebeba me posting about religion is not like a month now. I've been doing this for like 2 years now.
You and me started who and che you know they go back to time now o call America no. How was the place? I mean your first time you could do no?
Good.
Did you go during summer or winter?
Summer.
internet say we are no kakra but still na ho yenyu
ai na me bre pa
na obre e wonu de ewia na pie de omo bua ho yenyu
yeah ewia na pie post na ho
ai na eyi ukodu ho no no you decided to go to Massachusetts, right?
Yeah, Worcester.
And I go Worcester for so they would do a be mo wa chele Worcester for na mo say dey na ekoso Leona Abna Cindy munyina dey na ekoso Don Skillo dey na ekoso Mona Gucci bi chechi abujida so we say bo share program bi where can Tanga television you streaming live or Facebook intino mo nko na mo hwe na mo fa mo comment mbra na me reading it out na tornado ba ho no mo say na mo hu ye me say ukodu ho no na mo frey
na wa Ghana
na me Ghana say Mustafa kuna ba ho dem say dey wan say dey o ye Schwarzenegger no